I got some hotter shit. I be rocking the show, boy. If I'm not up in the studio, then I'm fucking his cash off. Don't you know follow this skinny tall with the grass, till a nigga be rapping his ass off. Yeah, I heard you got surgery, still wanna turn.
Hey guys, my name is Sri Pranav. I'm from SVC. Today I'm going to explain you about TCP/IP model. So let us learn what is TCP/IP model. Introduction to TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model is an conceptual framework used to understand how data is transmitted over a network. It stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Internet Protocol. The TCP/IP model is widely used in computer networks and is foundation of the internet. TCP/IP model layers. The TCP/IP model consists of four layers: application, transportation, internet, and network interface. Each layer has its own specific functions and protocols. The layers work together to ensure the reliable and efficient transmission of data. Application layer. The application layer is the topmost layer in TCP/IP model. It provides the services directly to end users application. Some protocols at this layer include HTTP, FTP, SMTP, DNS. The transportation layer is responsible for end-to-end communication between hosts. It ensures data delivery, flow control, and error detection and correction. The two main protocols at this layer are TCP and UDP. TCP, it refers to Transmission Control Protocol. UDP refers to User Datagram Protocol. Now let's learn about Internet layer. The Internet layer is responsible for addressing and rotating packets across different networks. It uses IP to provide logical addressing. The Internet layer also handles fragmentation and resemblance of packets. Now let's learn about network interface layer. The network interface layer is responsible for physical transmission of data. It deals with the issues such as encoding, decoding, and framing of data. Ethernet and Wi-Fi are examples for protocol used at this layer. Now let's learn about other common Internet protocols. TCP/IP model covers many Internet protocols. The main rule of this Internet protocol is how the data is valid and sent over the Internet. Some common Internet protocols include HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP takes care of web browsers and websites. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTP takes care of how the file is to be sent over the internet. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is used to send and receive data. Now let's look into the difference between TCP/IP model and OSI model. TCP/IP model and OSI model are both used to understand network protocols. The TCP/IP model is simpler and more widely used. The OSI model has 7 layers while the TCP/IP model has 4 layers. The diagram represents all 7 layers of OSI model and all 4 layers of TCP/IP model. The OSI model consists of application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transportation layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. Whereas TCP/IP model have application layer, transportation layer, internet layer, and network access layer. Now let's look into the advantages of TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model is flexible and can accommodate new technologies and protocols. It is scalable and can handle networks for different sizes. The TCP/IP model is well tested and reliable as it has been in use for decades. Now let's look into the challenges of TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model lacks built-in security feature and requires additional protocols for secure communication. It can be complex to troubleshoot issues as there are multiple layers involved. The TCP/IP model does not provide a clear separation between network services and applications. In this diagram you can see the layers and its protocols. Now the summary of TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model is a foundation framework of computer networks and the internet. It consists of 4 layers: application, transportation, internet, and network interface. Each layer has specific functions and protocols that work together to ensure reliable data transmission. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.